You shoulda love me like you love the cash pot. You shoulda love me like you love the fig tree.
Yeah, man.
Big up,
Big
big up.
up. This is King Bees.
Yeah.
And you were born and raised in Jamaica.
Yeah. Fall in love with bees because bees becomes my best friend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Bees work very hard and they're humble. If you don't trouble them, they don't trouble you. So I see a better liberty in them more than how we human live. Boy, what a... Here's one time I put them in a box.
So we have all the
And then
things.
leave.
Hello, loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Jamaica. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jacqueline and I live in Jamaica. I've been hiking, walking down the stream. We're in St. Thomas today. I just picked some apples. Let's see. We got a bag full of apples. There's some. Now we're hiking up. Coming down was a lot easier. Little goats. St. Thomas, beautiful. Mango tree. And there's some. When you have a ragamuffin to compliment us, so you can see this. Stop to get some food. So on our St. Thomas road trip, we found a perfect little spot. Vegetarian. Nice Rasta. Cook us up some Ital food. Alright.
Moon plum. Fine.
Pine. Thanks.
Arrange a shot.
Alright.
You wanna look over him? Want me to video?
Yeah. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Delicious.
It's good.
I have a YouTube channel. You want to big up yourself?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Where are you located at?
Well, I'm in Church Corner, Marant Bay.
Church Corner.
Marant Bay, St. Thomas.
All right.
Jamaica, West Indies.
Alright.
And I operate this food shop here. It's a vegetarian outlet.
Perfect.
We call it Feed It Up. You know?
Feed it up.
Feed It Up. I will specialize in vegetarian meal. And we do morning meal as well. Porridge and other stuff.
Yeah,
you
man.
know.
Alright.
What else?
And you're from St. Thomas?
Yeah, I'm from St. Thomas, born in the parish.
And what's your name?
My name is Craig.
Craig.
You can call me in being around. I have so many names.
Yeah, man. What's your Jamaican name?
Well, my name is Craig it is.
Uh-huh.
But I'm also an artist.
All
I
right.
sing as well.
Yeah?
But I never reached too far in that, so I had to.
You want to sing a
Yeah.
little something?
Yeah, cool,
Yeah?
cool.
Alright.
I just-
Yeah, man.
Which one now?
You.
Wow, you take me so hard. Alright. Whoa. Try to remember the song when you know.
Alright. Take it.
Alright. I want to name Cash Pot, I'm a latest song.
Alright.
Yeah. You shoulda love me like you love the cash pot. You shoulda love me like you love the fig tree.
Hey.
Then together we sound on this tree. And you shoulda love me like you love the cash pot. You shoulda love me like you love the fig tree. Then together we sound on this tree. It would have been in history. Stop, chop,
Hey,
start,
hey.
up. Better than that.
Yes, I bless you, yeah, man. Big up.
Yeah.
All right,
More love,
respect.
more love.
Thank
And
you.
give thanks for the support.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
and I'm looking to see you forward again. Yeah?
Yes, I. All right.
Here
Yeah,
you go.
man.
So we can
Papa
go on
Tings.
yeah,
Big
you
up.
see. You know?
Yeah, man. Come down to the farm sometime.
Where it is?
We're down Exchange Road.
In Oche? Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
man.
come and see
All
you
right.
another time. You know? Yeah.
All right, let's see what the Rasta cook up for us. Some boga. Wagwan. Some cabbage, some stewed peas. And what's that next thing? This one?
Broad bean.
Broad bean stew. Delicious. The pretty ocean. St. Thomas. How do you get in there? We're trying to forward back to Ochi, and Google took us on a scenic route. Proper scenic route. Lots of cows and lots of bush, lots of trees. Farm. So you work with bees?
Yes, that's
Bees?
from I'm going to school.
Do you mind if I film you?
I'm going to make you flip me on the bees.
Yeah, man, but I wanna,
you wanna
I
flip
want,
me? Oh.
I wanna hear more about what you do.
What? Travis, I tell you something. You see, what you say? You see me now? Yeah. You see Pauline where you buy, you know? This one. This is broad, this one. And then they can patch below bottom.
There's no one in runway, isn't it?
Oh, what? Yes, one time I put them in a box.
So we have all the things.
And then lay down,
them
anywhere you want them to go, I put them there.
But you can't forget make the things that.
Oh, what's that? Big man. Oh, big man. I be is one that thought that I'm a cut the board. If you don't want to cut it. Because you know, like, after you want to start my work, the man want the bees out of China, if they come to do. I can't take them out and left them out the door. So I want to put them in a something secure them. You ever watch a show named The Beekeeper? As the ears know what and one item a little last that. Dog do for the mankind don't do it, brother. Man irritate your mind.
Big man. You know, it's a bees.
Facts.
You see my grandfather going there and put on a thing for the head. Me put it on
You can't know them. Here.
This is King Bees.
Yeah.
And you were born and raised in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah? In St. Anne?
Yeah, St. Anne, Jamaica. Grow in a place named Great Pond.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
From the age of 9, I was going to school before going to school, I learned bees with my grandfather. He used to raise a few bucks. And then I'm going to school and some kids show me a bee's hive in the hills. And from that day, I start taking bees. So from that, I just fall in love with bees because bees becomes my best friend. Yeah.
why do you love bees so much?
Because bees work very hard and they're humble. If you don't trouble them, they don't trouble you. So I see a better liberty in them more than how we human live. Yeah, sure. Oh, Travis, I'll lay down there. Oh, it's still. You know, you're general tell me, say. What, you know? You know, you're my old. General, never reach up to way more. Bigger?
Bees are up there.
Go for the eh? Me nah cut down the tree. Me nah Travis. Me nah get till the dog, just get till the dog. Me don't come to cut down tree. Me cut down tree cause bag of money. When we go hotel and hotel that he really kill tree. You see 3 piece I rat now? We just take out piece, take out the one them. I pick up the test, but push it in the back of the rat and say, you know, work with them a pay bills for. You get better temperament when I go walk around the beach. People give be a problem on top.
And that keeps the mosquitoes away?
Yeah, that keeps the mosquitoes far, far away.
And you put lemongrass in it? You put lemongrass in there.
Can't bend. Can't bend up. My hand take it out, it can't come out. Okay, look at it.
Come in.
Superman, use my hand. I got to use my hand and take it and put it where I want. Yeah. Hey, you know why they're afraid of me? Me no use gloves. So then one day when I push all my hand up here some hole, sometimes with the ties there's a snake in the hole. And I fart in the hole. Because I don't want to see snake. Start the song.
Oh, they're coming out.
I want to see where them are going.
That's crazy. What?
Jackie, you can't move like that.
Biggs, you hiding?
Jackie,
Are you scared of the bees?
you can't think I'm scared. I'm gonna be the one laughing at you. Let's go one side and sit. Jackie,
But you can't see it.
you don't listen, right?
No, I don't. I like to see things for myself.
How a Rasta there? Yeah, what's a Rasta say a real thing Rasta has a job is? When I sky gone,
Yeah.
this look like I tip. I in a one down here.
Up in that tree there.
Yeah.
Come in hear them a hum, man.
You can hear the bees in there.
You alright?
Over and cut off
Yeah,
him, yeah.
good on. Good on now. I see if you can set up on. Wait your hand drop. Wait balance. I in a more and cut now.
I'm not asking about the leather.
You know what? And your life I go up and I guess I go up they go catch him.
Jackie.
Mulberries are delicious.
Hey, you see alright? You know me nose him a going on. I mean I should know sir. And blew him out.
Sad and dull though. Sad, dull, Mr. Chin.
Oh, he got the honey out. It's like wax.
We can't, we never do that. You know, so we never do that yet. So we go on the corner, I never ever do it yet.
Blessed love, family. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means the world to me and it helps me out a lot. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications to see exactly when it is that I post. All right, I love you guys so much. Ciao.